Alright, so we're going to be changing out the exhaust. This is the stock exhaust. Just single outlet. Go ahead, Jax, hit the gas. Hit it again. Harder. Do it again, buddy. Hold it. So it has a decent sound because I have the cold air intake and snorkel on there, but we'll see how much that changes once I put this exhaust on. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to have to disconnect here. And disconnect the hanger here. And then there appears to be another hanger on the other side here. And that looks like it might be it. And then of course I got to mount up the exhaust tips that go on it. And so it's a pretty cool little install. It's a little tighter than it needs to be just because I'm not trying to jack it up or anything. I do have 35-inch Pro Comp tires from 4 Wheel Parts on a 2.5-inch rough country, 2.5-inch Rubicon Express suspension lift. So that gives me a little more clearance than what you're going to have stock. You can see here the Chrysler emblem on the muffler. So we're getting ready to take that off and then put on the new Flowmaster Outlaw series. I think that's going to give it a little more aggressive rumble, a little throatier sound, and yeah, it's going to tuck up there I think a little neater and a little cleaner as well. And then I'm going to order a skid plate for it. I don't think the skid plate really be necessary. I've never hit it to date. As you can see, there's no scratches or anything on it. But just because I've spent that money on it, I do want to go ahead and protect it. So I'll order the skid plate that'll go around it. Yeah, fun stuff. So I'm getting ready to yank this off. And yeah, cool stuff. Alright, so had a pain kind of getting these hangers out. Definitely want to make sure you squirt them with White Lightning lithium grease. That's going to help you quite a bit. I ended up using 2 pry bars to push them out, the originals. The next one's going real easy. Connecting this here on the new one, putting it on super easy. Getting the old one off was kind of a pain in the butt, man. So I sprayed it real good with white lithium grease, let it sit for a little bit. Used a pry bar to put on that lip, put it against this bar here, kind of pried it down, got it out, got all these hangers nice and installed really good, got these nice and put in, and as you can see, got the Flowmaster duals. Go ahead and start it up, buddy. Yeah, you can hear that. Give her hell. Quite a bit of difference. That's the Flowmaster Outlaw Series 409S, I believe, with the dual black stainless steel. That's hot. That's super hot. Alright, so this is going to give you an idea what it sounds like when you start up from inside the car. I do have my windows down. Again, this is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler JKU with the 3.6 liter Pentastar Rubicon Hard Rock Edition. I'm right at like 60,000 miles, as you can see, and I need an oil change. Nice little throaty sound. I do have the Injen cold air intake as well as the Injen snorkel as well. Sounds great.